Ice cream for ice cream. Oh, that looks so good. So unfair. What can I make with this plain stuff? Wait, I have an idea. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! My favorite color. Wow, let me try. And beautiful blue. Wow. Cheers to us. Wait, you feel that? No way. Wow. Me first. Huh? I'm going first. Look, my favorite soda. This is awesome. Bottoms up. So refreshing. What about me? Wait, I have something too. Now we're talking. Let's do this thing. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Huh? Look out! Hey, what's all that? Cool! You're welcome. Wait, is that Coke? I have an idea. Watch this. Almost. Come on. Just a drop more. And done. What is that? Try finishing your sentence now. I'm just getting started. You ain't seen nothing yet. This plan is fresh, fresh, fresh. In you go. Things are about to get explosive up in here. That's about right. Bring on the heat. What a rush. No problem. I could use a drink. Coke it is. Oh no! My soda! Ah! Oopsies. You did this? I wanted to drink that. Rude. Ready? Whoa, this is sick! What the? Huh? You're so squeamish. Come on, wake up! Her favorite song will snap her out of it. Yeah? Well, nothing? I'm calling in reinforcements. Paging Dr. Blue. We need some medicine. Lots of it. Open wide. Well, how do you like that? Huh? That's delicious. Thank goodness. I'll take these. Hey, I was vibing. Oh, I gotcha. It's chow down time. Huh? Whoa! I see something yummy. Oh, wow. Care to share? What? No way. So greedy. I'll fix that. Hey, what do you want now? I'm watching you. Ah! Whoa! Worked like a charm. While you freeze, I'll snack. Never mind. I have an even better plan. Come on, just a few more. Yeah, there it is. Now there's plenty of room for mine. I'd better mix them in there. Very nice. Am I genius or what? Huh? Not bad. Wow! This is the best dessert ever! Gooey goodness. Huh? Whoa, what the? Where'd my eyes go? That was incredible. Hey! You finished the whole thing? I spy an eye. Nice. Yum. Wow! There's more! Look! Aw, man. Why does my face feel funny? That's crazy. Ah! More plates. Whoa! You go. Really? I don't know. What if it has teeth? I can't. You're such a scaredy cat. Look! Sour candy! So blue. Wow. Blue raspberry. Looks pretty tasty. I haven't even had the sour part yet. See? Check out that ooze factor. It's so beautiful. Cheers to me. Yep, it's sour all right. You don't say. Wow, why waste time? Straight into the mouth. Oh, wow. Whoa! So cool. Your face. I need more. Huh? It's out? No. Come on, anything left? Aw, man. Ow! My head! Hey! Oh, my bad. You gonna open that? Huh. Whoa! Sprinkle-tastic! And a lipstick? What a sweet shade. Feels nice, too. What do you think? Those sprinkles. I'm going in. What do you think? Oh, yeah, so good. Yum. Let me try some. Share? Do I have to? Wait, actually. Sure, I'll share. Thanks. Nope. Let me. Okay. Hold nice and still, okay? Looking better already. Can't forget the lips. There. Now go! Really get in there. Are you kidding me? You look insane. Huh? Yum. I've got more here too. Delicious. Wait. That sure backfired. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Doritos! Nice. My turn. Cool Ranch. Oh no, I got you. You good? I got too excited. May I? These chips are my fave. Look how blue they are. Uh-oh. Very cool. What? They look nasty. More for me then. I could eat these forever. Oh yeah. I wish I had 2 mouths. I could eat way faster that way. Are those bunny ears? Okay then. Well, eat. Oh, okay, if I have to. Is it just me, or do these look super spicy? Just look! Ow! Nope. What? Wait. Use these. Here. Tweezers? Yeah, alright. Gotcha! I am one with the spice. Ooh! Oh no! Fire! Hey! Are you okay? Don't worry, I got you! Hey! Feel better? Actually, yeah. Wait a minute. I'd better clean this mess up. Par for the spicy course, I guess. That was rough. All good. Oops. Oh yeah. Play. Ha! Scissors beats paper. And the prize. Wow, that's a lot of gum. What do you need with all that? Ta-da! That's nuts. Good thing I've got my own. Stacky, stacky. No! Oh, wait! Steady, steady. Ugh. Last one. How are you doing this? I don't understand. And for all my hard work, gum break. I want it all. Wait a sec. Ew, cockroach. On second thought, say hello to your new friend. Enjoy. What's spicy? Huh? Cockroach! My gum tower! You freaked out! You want to play dirty? I'll show you. No! Whoa! I'm gonna win this. Come on, focus. Slow and steady. And last but not least, sweet relief. Look at this wad. Just what I need. Super stretchy and oh so sticky. See what I mean? So nasty. Perfect. Here's where things get interesting. Aim and fire! Oh no! Wait! Oh, it's gonna fall! That's the plan! Oh no! Wait, not mine! Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. Oh well. Is this supposed to be funny?